Morning, 11th standard, and as today we are doing the balancing of redox reaction in chapter 8. So as you can see that we can use two methods to balance the chemical equation. First one is oxidation number method and second one is the half reaction method. First of all beta, we will try how to do the balancing in oxidation number method. तो इसके लिए पहली step हम करते हैं that first of all, whatever the statement is given to you, write the correct formula for each reactant and product. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम correct formula लिखेंगे. Then we have to identify the atoms that which undergo the change in oxidation number in the reaction. ठीक है, तो पहला काम करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेप होगी हमारी दैट पहली स्टेप में करेक्ट फॉर्मूला लिखना है रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट के लिए. उसके बाद सब सारे रिएक्शन के अंदर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं सबका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर लिख दीजिए एंड देन आइडेंटिफाई कि किस वाले में ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर जो चेंज हो रहा है किस किस एलिमेंट्स में, माने रिएक्टेंट से प्रोडक्ट की साइड. सो बेटा इसमें हमें देखना है कि कितना when we find out the oxidation number in both the sides, then we have to see that how much increase or decrease per atom or per molecule or per ion occur, and if that oxidation number is not equal, then we have to make it equal on both the sides by multiplying by the equation by the coefficient. Then after that we also have to check that whether in the reactant or the product side if the water is present, and to make the water or to balance the water we can use hydrogen positive, H positive or OH negative ions to the appropriate side, or हम कह सकते हैं to the side where the total ionic charges of reactants or the products that becomes deficient. तो वो हम करेंगे. ठीक है, next is about the that make the number of the hydrogen atoms on both the sides equal by adding water molecule to the reactant or product. तो जहां पर हमारा water molecule क्या कर रहा होगा, लैक कर रहा होगा, या जिस साइड में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होगा उसकी अपोजिट साइड में हम क्या करेंगे, हाइड्रोजन एटम्स को ऐड ऑन कर देंगे. एंड also we have to check the number of the oxygen atoms, और अगर हमारे oxygen atoms कम हो रहे हैं then we have to on the another one side we have to add more number of water molecules so that the balanced redox reaction can be achieved. Now there is an example. First of all we will take the example of this, like for example if we take the ionic equation जो कि किसकी है, when potassium dichromate react with sodium sulfide in an acidic solution, then it gives chromium ion with the sulfate ions. Okay, now step 1, how we are going to do it. So in the first one step we have to just write down the ionic equation. हमने सबसे पहले क्या लिखा बेटा, जो हमें ionic net equation statement में था, we just convert it into the ionic and write down. That is potassium dichromate था तो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है K2Cr2O7. so that's why we have written here Cr2O7 2 negative plus SO3 2 negative gives Cr3 plus positive plus SO4 2 negative. Now in the second one step what we are going to do, assign the oxidation number to the all the element present in the ionic equation. So in the chromium oxidation state उसके लिए find out कर लेते हैं. X मान लो, oxygen का oxidation number is -2. So from here we can find out that chromium is having a +3, so 2 chromium, so it is having a +6 charge on it. Sulfite है, so sulfite में oxygen is having -2, so from here X, if we put the X on sulfur then it becomes +4. Similarly chromium here is having a 3 positive, so +3 का charge है, and sulfate is having a -2, oxygen is having a -2 and sulfur is having a +6 charge on it. Now after this, the third step becomes calculate the in which part there is a increase, showing an increase in oxidation number, and which part showing a decrease in oxidation number, and then make them equal. For here, like Cr2O7, in this one, if you can see here beta, just 1 minute, इसमें +4 that goes on to +6 है ना. Here it goes +4 to +6, whereas chromium that goes +6 to +3. So यहाँ पे 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन 3 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या हो रहे हैं आपके एड ऑन हो रहे हैं, और यहाँ पर आपका +4 से -2 हो रहा है. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर गोइंग टू बी रिड्यूस्ड, है ना, लेसर हो रहे हैं. सो टू मेक इट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव डन, दैट जस्ट मेक इट इक्वल. how we can make them increase or decrease को equal कैसे करेंगे. so here we can see +4 से आपका +6 में जा रहा है, माने +2 का चार्ज आपका इंक्रीज कर रहा है इसमें, है ना, +2 का चार्ज इंक्रीज कर रहा है. और इसके अंदर जो है आपका there it is +6 to +3, माने आपका 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का चार्ज रिड्यूस हो रहा है, यही हो रहा है. ठीक है. So in this one case, here first of all I just balance the sulfide. So interchange करेंगे, आप क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड इंटरचेंज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का आ रहा है, so multiplied the sulfide with the 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन on both the sides. ठीक है. तो 3 कोफिशिएंट लगा दिया, दोनों साइड लगाया, 3 सल्फाइड gives 3 सल्फेट, और इधर जो है आपका कितने का था, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का था. so 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, put it on the chromium one only on the product side, because on the reactant side it is already Cr2 is present. Next one, next one step is, as the reaction occurs in the acidic medium, हमने अब रिएक्शन को बैलेंस कर दिया, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू सी इफ द रिएक्शन इज अकरिंग इन द एसिडिक मीडियम, देन द आयनिक चार्जेस should not be equal on the both sides. So how we can make them equal on both sides? So for that we just add H positive on the side in which the charges are lesser. ठीक है. तो उस साइड पे हमें चार्जेस को बैलेंस करने के लिए दोनों साइड्स के आई जस्ट एड अप 8 H positives on the left hand side to make the ionic charge equal. Last one step is count the hydrogen atoms. Now here in this one 8 hydrogen atoms are present. So अगर 8 hydrogen है तो how many number of water molecules I require? 4 water molecules. So it is present on the left hand side. So if I add the 4 water molecules on the right hand side, then I can balance this redox reaction. Just like Cr2O7 2 negative plus 3 sulfide plus 8 H positive gives 2 Cr3 positive plus 3 sulfate plus 4 water molecules. Okay beta. So this is the final one step. Now the next one method is the half reaction method. Now from this method also we can balance the redox reaction. First of all, in this one the produce unbalanced equation for the reaction in ionic form. ठीक है. So for example, we have chosen a reaction Fe2 positive plus Cr2O7 2 negative gives a Cr3 positive plus Fe3 positive. Now separate the equation into half reactions. So सबसे पहले इसके लिए हम देखेंगे that Fe2 positive goes to the Fe3 positive, इसमें convert हो रहा है, whereas Cr2O7 negative converted into Cr3 positive. So here one इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो रहा है आपका, लूज हो रहा है. सो इट मीन्स दिस इज अ ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. सो ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन it becomes, and the another one portion must be showing the reduction reaction in which Cr2O7 2 negative converted into the Cr3 positive a reaction in which the plus 6 converted into the plus 3. So there means the loss of gain of 3 electrons take place in this reaction. So it means that it is the reduction half reaction. Next one is step is आपने दोनों को oxidation and reduction half reactions कर दिए. The next one is step becomes balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen in each half reactions individually दोनों reactions को ले लो और उनको balance करो. Now here only one iron is used, so it is already balanced in this one. ठीक है. In the another one is step Cr2O7, here it is, so I just applied 2 Cr3 positive. Till now oxygen or hydrogen we are not going to touch that, just balance the other species except the oxygen and hydrogen. So here 2 is used, so 2 for Cr3 positive is taken. Next one is step is for reactions occurring in acidic medium. अगर reaction acidic medium की है, then add water to balance oxygen atoms and H positive to balance hydrogen atom. Now in this one there is 7 oxygen is used on this one side, so I can use plus 7 water molecules on the right hand side in with Cr2O7 2 Cr3 plus. But Fe2 positive gives Fe3 positive में ना तो आपका hydrogen है ना oxygen है, so there is no need to add H positive or water. But in the second one case there is a Cr2O7 dichromate ion में 7 oxygen sides present hai, so 7 water molecules on the another one side or on the opposite side we are using. Now 7 2s of 14 hydrogen is present on the right hand side, so 14 it can be balanced by 14 H positive on the left hand side. Next one is add electrons to one side of the half reaction to balance the charges. अब इसके बाद कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लगाने हैं हमें, जिस साइड में हम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जरूरत है, to balance the charges we just add on the electrons. Like in this one Fe2 positive एक साइड में है, तो obviously if I added up 1 electron on the right hand side, तो 3 positive 1 electron lose, so it equals to 2 positive. So the first one equation is balanced. In this one equation also there are the टोटल चार्जेस इस इक्वेशन में कितने हो जाएंगे बेटा, 14 H पॉजिटिव है, 14 पॉजिटिव 2 नेगेटिव. ठीक है, ये बन गए आपके 12 और पॉजिटिव, और इधर आपके हैं 3 पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, तो 3 पॉजिटिव में से आपका कितना हो गया 6, 2 आगे है, तो 2 3 6, 6 पॉजिटिव है, so 12 इधर है और इधर 6 है. So if I am adding a 6 electron on the left hand side, तो आपकी इक्वेशन बैलेंस हो गई. On this one side also 6 positive are left, and on this one side also, left hand side also 6 electrons are left. Fine. Last one is step after equalizing the number of electrons in both the half reaction, we multiply the oxidation half reaction by 6. Means we have to balance the number of electrons by multiplying the numeral value. So in the first one equation अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं तो there is presence of, because we have to neutralize the number of electrons. So in the first one equation there are only 1 electrons is used, 1 electron है. जबकि अगर मैं बात करती हूँ इस equation की, so here the in second one there are 6 electrons are present. So we have to multiply the first one equation by 6, so that here also we get the 6 electron, and both the equation when gets added with each other, that can be cancel out the number of electrons. Okay, so here it will, after multiplying the equation number 1 by 6, it gives 6 Fe2 positive, ferrous gives 6 Fe3 positive plus 6 electron. And now we just add, after balancing the number of electrons also on both the sides, even neutralize them on both the equation, we add the 2 half reaction to achieve the overall reaction and cancel the electrons on each side. Like this one, is the addition of equation number 1 and 2 in which both the equation gives 6 electron. पहली equation में बेटा 6 electron is present on the right hand side, whereas on the second one equation 6 electron is present on the left hand side. So that gets cancelled by each other. Last step is this: verify. We have to verify that the equation should contain the same type, same number of atoms as well as same number of charges on both the sides of equations. Okay. नेक्स्ट वन आ जाता है हमारा redox titration as the basis for titration. Now in this one बेटा redox titration में we usually use 3 types of indicators. First one, self indicator like KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, which are the colored solutions that act as the self indicator. The second one type is not a self indicator. It usually oxidizes the indicator substance like diphenylamine, or diphenylamine gives the intense blue color after signaling the dichromate. Okay, so this is the second one. And which on addition of starch, अगर हम इसको डाइफेनाइलामीन को डालते हैं, so on liberation of iodine it gives Cu, cuprous ion on iodide ions, और जिसकी वजह से हमें क्या मिलता है? Intense blue color. This blue color disappears as soon as the iodine is consumed by thiosulfate ions. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है बेटा limitations. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर की कुछ limitations हैं, that this process is basically visualized as a decrease in electron density as well as reduction process जो होता है that involves increase in electron density, so around the atom involved in the reaction. So this is all about the balancing of reactions, redox reaction as the titrations, and limitations of now concept of oxidation number. So please just go through your NCERT book, the same topic. You should go through the NCERT and repeat the topic. Today we have discussed about how to balance the redox reaction with the help of oxidation number method as well as half reaction method. Thank you.